Okay, folks, so here we are finding trig ratios of angles written in radians. And they are only our special angles. So one of the goals here is just learning what our special angles look like written in radians. Okay, so if you want, well, you should have this table in front of you, either recopy it or find the page in the notes where you wrote it down originally. And then the exercise is really just figuring out what the hell does pi over 4 mean, right? So what I could do is I could convert pi over 4 over x degrees equals 2 pi over 360. And then this would give me 45 degrees as pi over 4. Okay, so every time you see, you will memorize this, every time you see pi over 4, you think 45 degrees, and then you can look at this table here. So cosine of pi over 4. Cosine of pi over 4 is root 2. And that's it. That's the whole lesson. Okay, so the move here, just change it to degrees and use the table for reference. That's all we're doing. I'll give you a couple more examples. I don't think you really need them, so they'll be quick. Okay, pi over 6 here. Well, pi over 6 is, we could convert it. Pi over 6 is 30 degrees though. So I'm just going to look 30 degrees up in the table. Sine of pi over 6 is going to be 1/2. And this will be our last example. So remember, pi over 6 I said was 30 degrees. Pi over 3, well, that's twice as much as pi over 6, right? So that's got to be 60 degrees. So these pi over 4, pi over 6, and pi over 3, those are our basic special angles that you should learn to recognize. So tangent of pi over 3 is the same as tangent of 60 degrees from the table, and that is the square root of 3. Okay, so if you've made it this far, you've mastered the previous lessons, which means since this lesson is just putting a couple of them together, it should be smooth sailing for you.